Welcome to JSS Matriculation School, Talawadi Social Class. In the past class, I explained 9th standard geography lesson number 1, Lithosphere 1 Endogenetic process. Continue part. In the past class, I explained structure of the earth and different types of rocks, and the next one is geomorphic process. Today I want to go to explain you earthquake. Earthquake are generally caused by the sudden vibration in the earth crust which spread outwards in all directions as waves from the source of disturbance. The point of origin of an earthquake is called focus, means hypocenter, which generates a series of elastic waves. Epicenter is a point on the earth surface that lies, that's one is epicenter we call now. So surface that lies directly above the focus. The impact of the earthquake is felt the most at the epicenters. First, we are going to learn about seismic waves of earthquakes. Earthquakes generate seismic waves. First, the nature, force and speed of these seismic waves depend on the nature of the medium through which it passes. Accordingly, there are three major types of waves will be these earthquake points. So we are going to learn of these three now. First one is primary or P waves. P waves are the fastest of all the earthquake waves and the first to reach epicenter. We are called this one epicenter. This is called P waves in the right side of your picture. Next, these waves passes through solid, liquids and gases either through push or pull within the average velocity of 5.3 km per second. Look how is fast to 10.6 km per second in the outside of the earth. Do you know? CF Richter devised a scale to measure the magnitude of earthquakes. Richter scales we call that. The scale relates to the energy released at the epicenter and provides an estimation of the severity of an earthquake. It is an open-ended scale. This highest magnitude ever recorded is 9.5 on Richter scale by Chile in 1960. The second one is secondary or S waves. These S waves travel only through solid materials. These transverse waves shake the ground perpendicular to the direction of which they propagate. The average velocity of these waves is 1 km per second to 8 km per second. The third one is surface waves or L waves we call that. These L waves are similarly to P waves, but they travel primarily along the ground surfaces. These waves travel comparatively slower and are the most destructive waves. The average of velocity of these waves are 1 km per second to 5 km per second. Do you know? The instrument which records the earthquake waves is called seismograph or seismometer. The science that deals with earthquake is called seismology. If you want to go to read the earthquake section in higher studies. Next, we are going to learn about tsunami. The word tsunami is a Japanese term meaning harbor waves. It adapted to describe large systemically generated sea waves caused by earthquakes, submarine explosions under the sea, and landslides. This all belongs to that in inner the sea. These waves travel at a great speed, more than 500 km per hour, and the length of this wave exceeds 600 kilometers. These waves reach to the highest of more than 50 meters near the sea shore and are capable to causing destruction along the coastal area. You know already the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake that caused tsunami is the sixth deadliest natural disaster, which traveled at a speed of 600 km per hour with an estimated death toll of 280,000 members. The earthquake, which occurred near Indonesia at 00.58 in midnight, it will be now hours, took nearly 7 hours to reach Chennai. Do you know another one point? On 26 December 2004, a tsunami occurred in the Indian Ocean. It was the result of the Indo-Australian plate subducting below the Eurasian plate. It was caused by an earthquake measuring a magnitude of above 9 in the Richter scale. The earthquake caused the sea floor to uplift, displacing the seawater above. The next point of that tsunami next is volcanoes. A volcanoes, already we are showing the picture in the right sides. A volcano is a vent or an opening in the surface of the earth crust through which hot, solid, liquid and gaseous materials, we call that magma, erupt out to the surface from the earth interior. Magma in the liquid form will be now rises up and exit on the surface. We are called that as lava. What is the magma will be now in come outside? We are called that as that lava. Volcanoes are also formed when plates move apart.